A secret hack for all my friends in Thailand. If you want to take a class taught by a Stanford professor in person without having to fly to the US, without having to be enrolled at Stanford, here is how. Hi, my name is Pear. I'm currently a rising senior at Stanford and I'm Thai. And today I'd like to announce a very, very special project that I'm doing with one of my favorite professors at Stanford who teaches the technology and entrepreneurship class. So this December, he's actually flying to Thailand to host a couple of workshops to teach his class, technology and entrepreneurship to people in Thailand. So to you, this is so exciting for me because when I took his class at Stanford, I just felt like this information and this education should not only be available to Stanford students, but it should be accessible to everyone around the world, including Thailand, my home country. And so we decided to work together and get the same education as I and my friends have at Stanford. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? And my professor, he's the coolest person ever. He's not only a professor in the School of Engineering at Stanford, he's also the founder of the Stanford Center for Entrepreneurship. He has a PhD from MIT, and he has taught over 1,000 students entrepreneurship, including the founder of Snapchat. And so what does he teach necessarily, and what sorts of people would be a good fit for his workshop? In his class, he plans to teach 3 things. First is design thinking, entrepreneurship, and AI. So design thinking is the process of finding problems in your everyday lives, in your societies, and thinking about the process of how you can find a novel and creative solution. Finding the best ideas to start an organization about, and how to get from 0 to 1, how to get your idea into something that exists in real life. Second thing, entrepreneurship. Having an entrepreneurial mindset, being able to take risks, build out a team is also very important. Not only that, if you are someone who's working in corporate, working in a company in Thailand, or you are a business owner and you would like your coworkers or your employees to have an entrepreneurial mindset, to think like a business owner and to take full ownership, I think that being part of this workshop is also going to very much benefit you. And lastly, of course, AI. In the age of AI, my professor doesn't only teach about entrepreneurship, but he also teaches about the intersection of entrepreneurship and technology. So how to use tech to improve your entrepreneurial skills. And so for any company out there who's interested in upskilling your employees, or you feel like you yourself want your company to bring this workshop to your company, I think that this workshop will really, really benefit you. I'm making this video because we're looking for partners, whether it be schools, universities, or company institutions who would be interested in partnering with us, who is aligned with us on this mission and helping us bring this idea to life. All we ask is you help us logistically with arranging this workshop, with arranging the time, the dates, and people to come to this workshop at your school. But I really, really think that this is so beneficial. It's basically taking the Stanford classroom and moving it to Thailand. It's a very unique opportunity because he is really much flying to Thailand for this purpose to teach this class, all of you guys in Thailand. If you are interested, if you think there is someone who needs to see this video, please share it with them. We're really, really looking for enthusiastic and passionate partners who really want to help us bring this to life and share this education with more people in Thailand. So please reach out to me. If you're interested, please head to the link in my bio and fill out the interest form there and I will get back to you. Thank you so, so much, and I can't wait for all of you guys to meet my professor. Bye!